Hello viewers, welcome back. Now in this lesson we are going to learn what is sentiment trader, how it is going to help us in our trading, what are the advantages of sentiment trader by using it in MT4. Okay, so let's start. Sentiment trader looks like this. Okay, this is the outlook of sentiment trader. Basically sentiment trader is a great personal assistant tool which is going to help us while trading, if we are browsing, if we are using any other application. And the main advantage of sentiment trader is that it is taking data out from the real accounts which are present on the FX Blue Labs. Okay, like for example 2000 real account, 5000 real account. It is taking data from those accounts and it is showing us the percentage, how many percent people have buy, how many people percent have sell. And in this way you can also check the sentiments of the people, manage your trade in a better way. So sentiment trader is taking data from FX Blue Lab, basically source of all these apps which we are learning in this my course. All of these apps are taken from FX Blue Labs. Okay, they are the data sources of these apps. So all sentiment data is taken from FX Blue Lab. Okay, it is providing us confirmation of our trading decision. Like for example, if you want to take any new entry on Euro USD and then you want to check the sentiments of the people, so you can confirm your trades. Either I am in the wrong direction, either I am in the right direction. Okay, so it is providing us all the symbols based on popularity, which we are going to see later on this lecture. Okay, and it has different types of charts, both historic and current sentiments. It has different time frame for the historic chart, we will see it later on. Okay, it is giving us our current position and it provides us opportunity to close our current position and to take new entries. Okay, so these are the advantages of sentiment trader, how it is going to help us in our trading. Basically, it is a great personal tool which is taking data from FX Blue Lab and it is giving us sentiments of the people. Okay, what is going on their mind. So it is going to help us in our trading decisions. Now we will go to chart on MT4 and we will see how we can set it up on our MT4 and all of its detail also. Now we are going to see how we can set it up on our MT4. First of all, make sure that your auto trading option is enabled. Just click here. You should check it should be green, and then from the tools go to options, and in the option just go to expert advisors tab and make sure that allow automated trading and allow DLL imports. These options are also clicked. Okay, after that just drag and drop sentiment trader from here and you will get sentiment trader. Now in the comment box kindly check that allow live trading and allow DLL imports are also clicked. Okay, so here we got sentiment trader. This is the outlook of sentiment trader. Now we are ready to trade with the sentiment trader. If you want to place sentiment trader anywhere on your chart or on a desktop, you can do it. Okay, you can place it anywhere, wherever you want. If you want to pin it or unpin it, just click here and then you will get the option to pin it or unpin it. Okay, sentiment trader is supporting the default language of our MT4, but if we want to change our language, then we can change our language from here. Okay, sentiment trader is giving us real-time data. Okay, here we can see like 38% people are in long in Euro USD and 62% of the people are in sell. Okay, this is showing us sentiments of the people, all of those accounts which are connected with the FX Believe Labs. Okay, here we can see this green line. This green line is showing us the percentage of the people with the price action. Okay, now you can see this percentage is changing with the time. Like here it was 46.9, then it went up, down, and now it is 38%. If we want to change the display of the sentiment trader, like here then we can select it from this simple pop-up window which is shown here, and here we can see three options: dial, chart, and this gauge. Okay, by these we can change the display of the pop-up window. Like here, first one is dial. Okay, we got percentage in dial. Okay, next one is chart. Here we can see chart, and third one is gauge, which is the default one. Okay, so in this way we can change the display settings of sentiment trader. Now if we want to change the display of this historic sentiment, we can change it also by simple pop-up window which is present in the lower left corner here. Okay, from here we can select our time frame from M1 to H1. Okay, and now after that we have three options of candles: price action candle, and line chart, and sentiment candles. Price action candle, this one. Okay, and line charts which will be shown here, and after that we have third one, and which is sentiment candles, like these one. And these sentiment candles, basically these are showing range. Now we will see some more settings and parameters in our sentiment trader. From here in the upper left corner we can see our lot size. I have taken just a trade. Okay, it is showing me my lot size, and in the upper right corner we can see our floating profit or loss. Okay, so from here I can see my lot size, here I can see my floating profit or loss. Okay, then in the tabs of symbols we have different pairs which are present here, and these are showing us sentiments also, like Australian dollar, NZD. Okay, and all of these pairs are shown here with different kinds of sentiments. Okay, if we have taken any kind of trade, that will be shown here with lot size also. Okay, now next option is if we want to take any new trade. Okay, for example my this trade is running, and if I want to close it, I will just close here, so my trade is closed. If I want to take any new trade, I can adjust my volume here. Okay, then I can set my stop loss, then I can set my take profit, and I can place my trade. Okay, so here you can see my trade has been placed with stop loss and take profit also, and now I can see my floating profit or loss also. So this is the advantage of sentiment trader if we are using any browsing anything else. Okay, and we have opened our sentiment trader, then we can trade also with the help of it. Okay, we're not using MT4, just opening it. So sentiment trader is a great personal tool which is going to help us to check the sentiments of the people, what is happening in the market and what is going in the mind all the forex trader from different parts of the world. Okay, it is also another important tool which I have described in my this course. Okay, I'm sure that it will help you a lot from now next trading. Okay, and if you have any kind of question regarding the sentiment trader, you can ask me also. Okay, so sentiment trader is a great personal tool for our better trading. I'm sure that it will help you a lot. So this was the explanation of sentiment trader. I'm sure that you have full concept of it. Okay, thank you so much.